Looking for a soulful way to relax and unwind? Dive into R&B Rewind, a coloring journey through the sounds of the men of rhythm and blues and soul. Experience the magic of Marvin Gaye, Sam Cooke, John Legend, and more, all while finding peace and mindfulness through the art of coloring. Transform your stress into creativity and let the rhythm soothe your soul. Each page is a celebration of the music that moves you. Get your copy of R&B Rewind today on Amazon.com and color your way to mindfulness with the greatest hits of R&B and soul. Groove, relax, and create with R&B Rewind, your ultimate coloring escape.